guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I am so excited for today's video because I get to introduce to you a brand new skincare line. This is a medical grade skincare brand that I just brought on to my website, Skin Truth. And this is a relatively new to me, new to a lot of you skincare brand. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you've ever heard of this brand, and a lot of you said no. So I am here today to share with you why I fell in love with this brand. And what we're talking about today is the Neogenesis medical grade skincare brand. Now, this is a brand that is a relatively small company. They aren't a huge company yet, but that's what I love. I love finding these before they're famous type of skincare brands. That's what happened with Osmosis. I found Osmosis when they were like a tiny little company, and now they are huge and super popular. And I discovered Truth Treatments. I think I literally was the very first person to ever carry Truth Treatments, like of all time. So it's super fun for me to find these amazing brands that really make a difference in your skin. I fell in love with these products once I tried them. I fell in love with the ingredients. I fell in love with the science and technology behind them. And then the company themselves is just an amazing company, and I love just working with brands that really are amazing, and just their products are just so effective and just are very sciencey and geeky. I love stuff like that. So this brand is amazing. Like I said, we did just start carrying it on Skin Truth as well. And I'm here to share with you guys all about this brand today. So I'll do like a little brand overview, and then I'll go through each one of their products. There's not a ton of products, but like I said, they are very effective, they work, and they will change your skin. And that is what I'm all about. So let's just jump into it. This is a whole brand overview of the Neogenesis skincare line. Okay, so a little background on the entire brand. A lot of their products feature stem cells, and stem cells are pretty much like growth factors. They actually include growth factors, but they also include peptides, antioxidants, and a lot of other anti-aging molecules at the same time. All those together make up the stem cell. So a lot of their products have this technology, the stem cell technology in it, which is amazing. It is so anti-aging, right? We all know growth factors and how necessary they are. So a lot of their products contain that science and technology. They're also all about barrier health and barrier repair. Neogenesis is focused on giving you a healthy skin barrier, which, as you guys know, I talk about all the time, because we truly need a healthy skin barrier to look our youngest, to have the healthiest skin. If our skin barrier is damaged, irritated, and just not in the best shape, you're just not gonna have the healthiest looking skin. So I love that this brand is focused on creating a healthy skin barrier. Healthy skin barrier equals anti-aging and looking younger. So I love that about them as well. So let's just kind of jump into each one of their products. I'll give you a little bit of a detailed information on each product. So let's talk about this product first. This is the Neogenesis, the Recovery. This is like their star product, and it is the product that I just literally instantly became in love with right away. Now, this is the 10 ml size. I do carry this on my site, but then I also carry the retail 30 ml size. So you know how Truth Treatment C Serum comes in like a 10 ml size too? This one does as well. So it's a great way to try it out, test it out, and then you're just gonna fall in love with it like I did anyway. But this is the Neogenesis Recovery. So this is their most potent stem cell serum. This is so anti-aging. Like I said, this has a combination of the growth factors, the peptides, the antioxidants, all of those molecules. So this is an anti-aging, just anti-aging powerhouse. It will knock out inflammation in your skin. It's going to help with acne and acne scars because it's so healing to the skin. And just like a lot of growth factor serums, it's going to help improve the tone and texture of your skin. And of course, it's going to stimulate that collagen and elasticity in your skin. This is an amazing anti-aging product. You will notice that redness in your skin decreases. Like I said, this is super good for acne and acne scars at the same time. It truly heals your skin, and then in turn creates younger skin. You're gonna notice lines and wrinkles, all of that stuff just minimize. It is very effective. I looked at the ingredients of this, I tested it out on myself, and I saw clear changes. So I was like, okay, that's when I knew I had to dive more into this line. So this is kind of like their star product, and it is so good. Now, I don't have all the products here, so I'm gonna mention the ones that I don't have here, but there is the Neogenesis Booster. And now this is a stem cell serum plus a hyaluronic acid. So it's super hydrating to the skin, but it also has the stem cell growth factor technology in it as well. And I learned all about the technology and science behind that product, which was so awesome. But I don't have that product in front of me right now, but I did want to mention it it to you because they do have a stem cell slash hyaluronic acid, and that is their booster. Okay, then we're gonna talk about this next. This is the Neogenesis eye serum. This is another product that I've been using, testing, completely fell in love with. This is their stem cell eye serum. So this can be used around the eyes. Such amazing ingredients. Now, as you guys know, you can take products like the Recovery, products like the Osmosis Stem Factor, you can apply those around your eyes, and I highly suggest you do. But then you can go in with this as like your eye cream. You don't need an eye cream over top of this if you don't need it. You can just apply this for the day. But this is such a great, just lightweight serum. You can pat it around your eyes. It has the stem cells. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It's very hydrating to the under eyes. But this is also specifically made for puffiness and dark circles. It has targeted ingredients for those two eye concerns. So I really love it. I just love how it's moisturizing yet sinks into my skin, and then I can layer an eye cream over top of it if I want. But it's great ingredients. Again, just, you know, getting those growth factors under your eyes is a must, and I really have been enjoying that. Okay, so they do have one cleanser in this line, and it's made for all skin types, whether oily, dry, anyone can use it. It's a gentle cleanser. It's made to just cleanse your skin without over drying your skin, keeping that skin barrier intact. It does have some anti-inflammatory ingredients in it, so it's gonna help with inflammation and just calming the skin, but it's just a great, gentle cleanser. Okay, moving on to their enzyme mask, and I have completely fallen in love with this mask. I've used this so many times now, and I just love how my skin looks after I use this mask. So this is their enzyme cream mask. It's made with fruit enzymes and a ton of niacinamide. So it's very anti-inflammatory. The fruit enzymes are just gonna, you know, eat away at the little dead skin cells sitting on the surface of your face. It's going to brighten your skin. It's just going to make your skin glow. I have been in love with this. Again, such a high amount of niacinamide in here as well, so it's going to knock out inflammation, redness in your skin. It's just so awesome. I love it. Like I said, every time I use this, my skin just glows and looks so good afterwards. So that is their enzyme cream mask. Okay, then they have their barrier renewal cream. Now remember, this is just a little sample size. You get way more product. Actually, I have the full size right here as well. This is the full size, so that's what that looks like. But this is their barrier renewal cream, and this is amazing. This is just going to boost the repair of your skin barrier. Again, healthy skin barrier, guys. And it contains the perfect amounts of the lipids, the cholesterol, the fatty acids, and the ceramides that your skin needs to repair and just create that healthy skin barrier. So it has all those necessary ingredients. You will see that your skin barrier will reverse if it has damage. It's going to just create such a healthy look to the barrier of your skin. And I've been using this and I've been obsessed. It's super, super good. I love the ingredients in that. That's their barrier renewal. And then they have two other moisturizing type of products. They have a light moisturizer, and then they have an intensive moisturizer. Okay, so we'll start out with the intensive moisturizer first. This is gonna be for your more drier skin types. This is loaded with antioxidants at the same time, so it's gonna fight free radicals at the same time as deeply hydrating your skin. It also does have some of the stem cell technology in it, as well as peptides. So it's very anti-aging at the same time as being deeply hydrating. Again, for more of the drier skin types, it's a fabulous moisturizer. You can use it day, you can use it night, and it's awesome. And then the light moisturizer, this one is gonna be for your more like normal to oily skin patients out there who just, you know, have to hydrate their skin but want something super light on their skin at the same time. This is the light moisturizer, and it also has the stem cell technology in it. It has the stem cells, it has the peptides in it, so it's very anti-aging. It also is loaded with antioxidants as well to fight those free radicals, and it's just an amazing light moisturizer, again, for those more oily skin people who want that hydration, but just, you know, it feels super, super light in your skin. I have more oily skin, so I was using this a lot during the day, and it feels amazing under makeup, and it's not heavy at all. So that is their light moisturizer. All right, next we have their moisturizing mist, and this is just a light mist, and I love this product too. You can use this in a variety of different ways. You can use it as a toner, you can use it throughout the day, you can use it to set your makeup, and it's amazing. It does have the stem cell technology in this as well. It has loads of antioxidants in here again too. It's also hydrating at the same time, so you can use it throughout the day if you have dry skin, if your skin's feeling tight. This really, really helps. But like I said, I've been personally using it as my toner because it does have really great ingredients. Again, anti-aging, hydrating, and it's just a great all-around mist. Okay, and the last product I actually don't have here, but I'm dying to try it myself. This is the one product I've not tried yet, and it's their body cream. And it sounds amazing. It is full of their stem cell technology. So you're getting the growth factors, the peptides. It's loaded with antioxidants again as well. And again, it's nourishing and healing and repairing for your skin. So you can use it all over your body. and it's got such great ingredients. You know how I'm all about just putting all the same ingredients that we need on our face. We should really be using them all over our body too. So it's really great to find body care products that have those great technology and science and anti-aging, ingredients and benefits to them. And this one definitely does. So like I said, I'm going to be using it very shortly myself because I can't wait. With all the ingredients that it has in it, I'm like all over it. So that is their body cream. They do have that as well. But that is kind of the gist and a little bit just more detail of this Neogenesis line. Like I said, I just fell in love with it. The ingredients, I'm all about ingredients. The ingredients are so amazing. The science is so amazing. I've had multiple discussions with the chemists and formulators and the people from this brand, and it's incredible. I'm actually going to do a video with one of the main formulators of this brand. They're going to come on my channel and they're going to share like all their insane science and knowledge with you guys because it's fascinating. So that wraps it up though for this little quick intro on the Neogenesis skincare line. If you have any questions, I'll leave them down in the comments. I will link these products down below as well, but we do carry this line on Skin Truth now, so I'm so excited. If you've tried this brand, let me know down in the comments too. I want to know your thoughts and what products you love from this line. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.